This video here, we're going to show you how to remove the stickers off the glass. Sometimes they can be stubborn, so what you're going to need is one of these little safety blade holders. You can pick them up at an automotive supply, or sometimes some of the dollar stores not have them, but it just has a one-sided razor blade in it. It comes with one blade, but you can buy extras. This is in here, you put it out, make sure it's locked into place so it doesn't slip on you. Basically get behind your labels and peel with this. Yeah, this label's actually coming off pretty decent. But if it gets stubborn, just keep it on about a 30-degree angle to the glass. You don't want to be straight this way, and you don't want to be right flat on the glass. On a slight angle, slip it in behind there. That'll take it off. Now if you have a stubborn tag that has some glue and stuff, you can scrape that. It's also handy for if you do have a bit of silicone on your glass, you can clean it off with that. That's the simplest way to get tags and labels off, is with one of these.